Hello students, today we will learn modals. These are modal helping verbs. These are the examples of modal helping verb. These are can, could have, should have, must have, ought to have, may, might, might have, have to, and would. These are our helping verb, modal helping verb. We can use these helping verb by applying these rules. For example, can will be used in your ability, permission, request and offer. When you say that you are capable to do something, when you permit someone, when you request someone, when you offer to someone, you can speak in English. Now you have the ability to speak in English. Can I take this pen? Here I am requesting for a pen. These are informal requests. Informal request. You can go. Here is the permission. When you ask someone, can I come? Then you can say you can go. Can is used for permission. You are giving permission to someone. Next, can I help you? Here I am offering someone. Can I help you? I am offering to help someone. Next, could. What is the use of could? Could is the past form of can. This shows the ability and polite request. For example, he could sleep. Here the ability of a person is to sleep. He could sleep. वह सोया. That means ये past में वह सोया. He could not speak English. He was not able to speak English. Third one is I could not participate in game. I am not able to participate in game. मैं गेम में participate नहीं कर पाया. And last is your polite request. It's not request, it's a polite request. When you say, could I have some water, please? Here you are requesting by very polite way. Then you say, can I have some water, please? These are the example of could. Next is our could have. Could have is also here. That means सकता था in Hindi. That means he could have spoke English. वह English बोल सकता था. Second example of could have is he could not have played. Third one is could he have spoke English? क्या वो English बोल सकता था? These are the examples. Next we will do the use of should. Next is the use of shall. Shall is used for command, for giving command, some probability. For example, the state should provide free education to children. Here, someone is commanding that our state should provide free education. You can say this an advice to the state to free education to children. These are also used as command. Second example of modal helping verb shall. I shall be there tomorrow. I shall be there tomorrow. मैं कल वहाँ होऊंगा. Next, should. Should means चाहिए, and we use should in somewhere in advice. For example, you should go. I am asking. I am getting advice from someone. Should I go? क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? Another example of should. You should tell what you think. आपको बोलना चाहिए जो आप सोचते हो. Why should I go? I want someone to get me advice. Why should I go there? मुझे वहाँ क्यों जाना चाहिए? These are all in advice. हम use करते हैं should को जब हम advice किसी की मांगते हैं या अपनी कोई advice देना चाहते हैं. You should go. आपको जाना चाहिए. Next, should have. Here also ये past form है इसकी चाहिए था. This is चाहिए and this is चाहिए था. For example, Ravi should have played. Here we use third form because ये past का है. That's why we use this have and third form. Ravi should have played. रवि को खेलना चाहिए था. Should he given the opportunity? Here also advice है. Someone is getting advice from someone. Should he given the opportunity? क्या उसे ये opportunity दी जानी चाहिए थी? These are the examples. Next is our must. Must we use in when the case is in certainty, compulsion, duty, improbability. For example, you must go for a walk. Is compulsion is good for your health. And second one is you must help poor. This it is your duty to help poor. Here we can use must helping verb, modal helping verb by using this example. You must help poor. Third one is I must try my luck. Here is the possibility, probability to for a good luck. I must try my luck. This is here the probability. Last one is he must apologize. Is your duty. Is your duty to say apologize for your mistake. Next, must have. We use must have in case of certainty. For example, he must have played. He must have played. चाहिए था. जब हम ये लिखते हैं कि we must have played, कि बहुत important है, एक certainty है. He must have played. उसे next example, must he have given the opportunity? Here also here we use must, जो कि एक एडवाइस है. हम किसी को एडवाइस कर रहे हैं और ये एडवाइस जो है बहुत ही सर्टेन है, किसी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है इसका. मस्ट ही हैव गिवन द अपॉर्चुनिटी. These are the example of must and must have. Next modal helping verb is ought to have. These are two modal helping verb we use in advice, some moral duties. For example, you ought to fight for your country. This is your moral duty to serve for your country. That's why we use ought to for this moral duty, for showing the moral duty for the country. For example, another example of ought to is you ought not to break the rules of your school. It's also your moral duty not to break the rules of your schools. Third example of ought to is here ought you to fight for your country. हिंदी में इसको चाहिए था हम यूज करेंगे. आउट यू टू फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री. हम यहाँ पे शुड भी यूज कर सकते थे. शुड यू टू फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री. पर शुड क्या है, एक जो इनफॉर्मल है, एक नॉर्मल सा हम इसको एडवाइस किसी की मांगेंगे. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे मॉरल ड्यूटी हम बता रहे हैं. दिस इज योर मॉरल ड्यूटी. आउट यू टू फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री. क्या आपको अपने देश की के लिए फाइट नहीं करना चाहिए था. Another example, you ought to read this book because it is very important. It's very it's your moral duty. It's very good advice for you to read this book because it is very prominent book. It's very important book. Next, ought to का हमने यूज यहाँ देखा. अब हम ought to have भी इन्हीं सेंटेंसेस में यूज करेंगे. हमें करना है सिर्फ हैव यूज करना है. यू आउट टू फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री. तुम्हें अपने देश के लिए फाइट करनी चाहिए. आउट टू हैव हम यूज करते हैं चाहिए था अगेन, जैसे शुड हैव में था चाहिए था. यू शुड हैव टू फाइट. यू शुड हैव, आई विल राइट हियर, यू शुड हैव टू फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री. नेक्स्ट, you ought not to break the rules of your school. You ought not to have, we will use have here after to. You ought not to have the rules of your school. Next, ought you to fight for your country. Ought you to have fight for your country. Next, you ought to read this book. It is very important. You ought to have, हमने जहां भी यूज किया है have, हमने आफ्टर ought to के बाद हमने यूज करना है. We have to write have after ought to. You ought to have read this book because it is very important. Another example of modal helping verb may or might. There are slight difference between this may or might. Example, it may might rain today. Possibility कम है, then we will write might. It might rain today. This is slight difference between may और might. हमने दोनों के example साथ में किए हैं. Next example, may I come in? Here I am getting permission. I am asking for the permission. May I come in? एक formal permission जब हम लेते हैं, then we will use may. Permission can में भी हमने देखा था, वहाँ पे भी हम permission लेते थे. Can I go? मैं जा सकता हूँ. Can I? May I come in? तो आप यहाँ formal way में किसी से पूछ रहे हो. Like in school, you will use may I come in? If अब इसका जो हम रिटर्न हम वापस रिप्लाई करते हैं, तो हम जब हम पूछेंगे कैन आई गो, आंसर होगा यू कैन गो और यू कांट गो. इफ वी आस्क इन फॉर्मल वे मे आई कम इन, दिस इज फॉर्मल परमिशन. देन अगर मैं आपसे ये बोल रही हूँ यू मे कम, I am giving you permission to come, you may come. If I am rejecting your permission, then I will say you can not come. जब हम रिजेक्ट करते हैं परमिशन को, चाहे वो फॉर्मल हो, देन वी विल राइट यू कैन नॉट कम. अगर यस में है आंसर, देन वी विल राइट यू मे कम. दीज आर द डिफरेंस. कैन और मे में जो हम परमिशन लेते हैं, और हम मे का यूज कहाँ करते हैं, व्हेन वी आर गिविंग ब्लेसिंग्स टू समवन. मे ही लिव लॉन्ग, मे यू अचीव योर गोल्स, with sign of exclamation after the completion of the sentence. Next, may might have. Here जो may might, this is possibility, और possibility जो थी. may means सकना, किसी चीज को की ability बताना, सकता था. Here I am writing सकता था. It may might have rained yesterday. कल बारिश हो सकती थी. मे बी इट्स स्लाइट पॉसिबिलिटी, मोर पॉसिबिलिटी. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंडीशन. इज इट माइट, इज वी हैव टू राइट मे और माइट. अगर पॉसिबिलिटी ज़्यादा है देन वी विल, अगर पॉसिबिलिटी थी, ज़्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी थी, तो हम ये लिखेंगे इट मे माइट हैव रेन यस्टरडे. कल बारिश हो सकती थी. सेकेंड, may might it have rain yesterday. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है, क्या बारिश हो सकती थी, क्या उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी थी. इज देयर एनी पॉसिबिलिटी. पॉसिबिलिटी विल बी मोर और लेसर. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंडीशन ऑफ द वेदर. इट्स पॉसिबिलिटी ज़्यादा थी तो हम विल राइट मे. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ माइट टू एंड द मे और माइट. Next we are going to learn these helping verb has to or have to. Let's see with an example. He has to play cricket. उसे खेलना ही है cricket. I have to go to Delhi. मुझे दिल्ली जाना ही है. I have to go. मुझे जाना ही होगा. It's compulsory actually. Where I have to go for the project work. मुझे project work के लिए कहाँ जाना होगा. Next, the use of had to is the past tense. I had to go, यहाँ पे था he has to play, he has to go, उसे जाना ही है, मुझे जाना ही है. I had to go, मुझे जाना ही था. Why had you go, आपको क्यों जाना पड़ा, आपको क्यों जाना था. Why had you to go, आपको क्यों जाना पड़ा. Had he not to go, क्या उसे नहीं जाना पड़ा. Next, will have to, the use of will have to. I will have to play, मुझे खेलना. I will have to play, मुझे खेलना पड़ेगा. Will you have to go, will you have to go, क्या आपको जाना पड़ेगा. These are the examples. Polite request, when we offer something, when we use it in our past habit, in unreal situation. For example, would you like a cup of coffee? Here I am offering someone. Here is the offer. Would you like a cup of coffee? Second, would you get a glass of water please? Here are a polite request. Could भी हम polite request में use करते थे. Would का भी हम use polite request में कर सकते हैं. Would you get a glass of water please? Would you like to dance with me? एक polite request है. Third one is when I was little I would play cricket. Is past habit. जब हम किसी past habit के बारे में बात करते हैं, then we will write when I was little. जब मैं छोटा था I would play cricket. मैं क्रिकेट खेला करता था. would की जगह हम used to का भी यूज करते हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है another helping verb. When I was little I used to play cricket. यहाँ पे भी हम used to का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, would का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. और कहाँ हम would का used to का यूज कर सकते हैं. If I am writing when I was young I used to painter. ये आपकी पास हैबिट नहीं बता रहा है, ये आपका प्रोफेशन बता रहा है. जब हम यहाँ अपने पास की बात करते हैं, किसी पास हैबिट की बात करते हैं, we can say this past habit when I was young. जब मैं यंग था I used to painter. मैं पेंटर था, मैं पेंटर की तरह काम करता था. यहाँ पे आप would का यूज नहीं करेंगे. Last example of mine, if I were PM I would change the entire system. Here is the unreal situation. हम एक unreal situation के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता I would change the entire system. मैं पूरे सिस्टम को चेंज करता. अगर मैं ऐसा होता तो हम ये लिखते हैं if I were PM. If I were a bird, अगर मैं एक bird होता I would fly high in the sky. This is all about the modal helping verbs. ये जो जितने भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हमने यूज किए, इसको हम डेली यूज के सेंटेंसेस में कैसे यूज करते हैं, कहाँ हमें यूज करना है, तो आप इस वीडियोस के थ्रू आप अच्छे से समझ सकते हैं.